This is a lush green surrounding and you can hear koels in the background. Let's make our own pecking bird with a square paper.
Well, take a square with an edge of 12 centimeters. First fold along the diagonal, open the paper and fold two adjacent edges of the square to the diagonal. Then fold along the same diagonal to fold the model in half. Now fold a triangle as shown and continue folding and wrapping. You will have to do this about 2-3 times until a small triangular flap will remain. Tuck this flap in the pocket to lock the model. Now draw the picture of a bird. First a line for the beak, color it yellow. Then draw the wings and with the scissors cut a small piece as shown. Then color the bird with bright, attractive colors, the wings, the body and the tail. Stick two eyes on both sides of the bird. Mark the outlines with black ink. Now slide your index finger in the paper cavity leading to the beak. Now move your index finger to make the bird peck. Place a bird on each index finger and move them simultaneously. This is a very simple finger puppet to make, and this can help animate a story for children in the classroom.